Hello darkness, my friend, I've come to talk with you again, because the visions of me creeping left its seeds when I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Restless streams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, in the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and dark, and my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light. Split the night, touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people shopping without speaking, people listening without listening, people writing songs that one thing's never said. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. They said I do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Give my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, and my world like silent raindrops fell everywhere, echoing the world of silence. About the pain, singing beyond darkness, and the sun lights out its warning, in the words that it was holding, and the sign said the words of the prophet are written on the subway road. Tell me how and the people bow to pray to the ungodly name, and the sun rised down its warning, and the word that